What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to use the Chat GPT platform to create viral crypto videos on YouTube. So through the power of artificial intelligence, Chat GPT can create scripts for you, and in turn you can create those scripts into YouTube videos. The whole process is automated. It only takes a couple of minutes, and once you hit 1,000 subscribers you can begin monetizing that channel on YouTube. So this is a win-win for anyone who's interested in crypto or making crypto content. Chat GPT has opened a world of possibilities and it's free to use. So let's take a look. So Chat GPT is finally open to the public, and this is created by OpenAI, and essentially you input a question and Chat GPT will process that request for you and output a script and answer whatever you tell it to do. The possibilities are endless. Dozens of creators and entrepreneurs are jumping onto this platform, so let me show you how we can create some viral videos. So on the website openai.com/chat, what we want to do is ask it a very specific question in terms of what kind of content we want. For example, write a script for a trending video for Solana. Hit enter, and here we go, and in real time it spits out a result. This is amazing. In real time, it's writing the script for us, and this only takes a couple of seconds. And there you have it, the intro, some background, the middle portion, and even the conclusion. So essentially, ChatGPT has done the manual work for us, and so what we'll do is copy the script into Pictory, and Pictory will generate stock footage to go along with the script. So we're going to marry both the script and some visuals to go along with it to create our viral video. Let's get started. So let's go ahead and copy all of this. And so we'll go to Pictory's website, pictory.ai. This is also a free platform, and we want the platform to create a video out of a script. So let's choose this option, and right here we'll paste our script and click on proceed. And you get a variety of different templates you want to use. So for this example, let's just choose the corporate template. And we'll go ahead and do 16:9, okay. And so now it's pulling some stock footage for the script, so this might take up to a minute. And just like that, line for line, we've gotten different B-roll stock footage for the specific script we just pasted. So every line here has a different video playing along in the background. This is amazing. And of course, if you're not happy with some of the B-roll footage, you can always customize what is being seen under the visuals tab, but it does a pretty good job from the get-go. And you can always add voiceover to this video under the audio tab and under audio. And here you would navigate to the voiceover tab and choose a specific voiceover artist you would like. And finally, when you're ready to generate this video, you would hit generate video. And just like that, it'll create a HD MOV file for you. And from there, you can upload that video into YouTube. This is a great tool for anyone who's new to YouTube to get started. Something like ChatGPT can really kickstart your YouTube channel. And like I said, at 1,000 subscribers is when you begin to monetize. And we'll let it go ahead and finish exporting the video here. But in the meantime, we can go ahead and create a new prompt for ChatGPT. So I'm a big fan of DeFi. As you know, I cover a lot of DeFi content on my channel, so we can be even more specific with my request on ChatGPT. Let's take a look. Best yield farming strategies on Polygon. And just like that, in real time, we're getting a step-by-step process on how to find the best yield farms for Polygon and how to yield farm your tokens. This is really amazing. And just like I mentioned earlier, with the same strategy, you can copy this and one more time paste it in the script editor and proceed. And once again, you have the ability to create a new video. And let's try one more, how to stake Near crypto. And it's gonna give us a breakdown of how to stake the Near token. But lucky for you, I already have a video covering this, so check out the link in my bio. But ChatGPT has gone ahead and generated a new script for me, so I can go ahead and make a totally new video out of this. And copy this and go ahead and paste that into your text editor. And lastly, you're probably wondering, how do I make a thumbnail? Personally, I make all of my thumbnails, but you can also use a resource like Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance website where you can have your thumbnail or artwork made. So I've seen some pretty low prices on here, starting at $5 per thumbnail, and you would just ask them how you want your thumbnail to look, and you would go ahead and pay them their $5, and they'll go ahead and give you a thumbnail. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and create your own YouTube channel and begin building a fan base. So personally, I might experiment a little more with Chat GPT. It's not perfect, but I'm interested to see what type of videos it will suggest for me. So I will cover a little more on this in other videos, but I'm excited to see the possibilities of artificial intelligence. So I really do think artificial intelligence will disrupt a lot of industries, including the crypto and finance world. So it's interesting to see where this platform will be headed. You can stay up to date with all of their latest updates on their official Twitter page at OpenAI. So are you a fan of this platform? Let me know in the comment section. And if you would like me to make more content like this, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have any questions regarding ChatGPT or crypto or where the world is headed in 2023, I'm interested to know. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.